Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable object permissions in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go to the setup, and after that, we click on setup. Then in the quick find, you will need to go to the permission sets, and simply we click on permission sets, and from there you will need to choose any permission sets that you want to add the object sets to it or the object's permissions to it. So basically I'm just going to choose any custom ones that I already have, and basically you can choose anyone. So I'm just going to click on new, and I'm just give it my here, and I'm just going to click on save. After that we will find all the sets. So basically now we need to search for our permissions. In the object settings, you can find all the object level sets or permissions. So basically, I'm just going to choose the account object, and from there, you can add the object permissions to it. So I'm just going to edit properties, uh, manage the assignments, and from there, you will be able to edit them. And basically, let's just go back. And as you can see, we can click on accounts and edit, and then you will need just to uh, choose any object's permission, either only the read or create, etc., etc. And basically at the end, when you choose all the permissions that you would like, you will need just to click on save, and then you can assign this permission set to any users in your organization. So basically, and simply, those are the steps on how to assign or on how to enable the object's permissions in Salesforce. Thank you for watching and see you next time.